How's it everyone? Welcome back. Today we are building an Italjet Dragster with a full Malossi kit. We will be doing the power cam, cylinder kit, air filter, full drive system, force master, gearbox, everything that can be done will be done. This is going to be an epic build. I mean, isn't this part just next level? Let's do a quick test run while the bike is stock. Zero to 60 in only 5.3 seconds stock. 0 to 100 11.2 seconds. Let's start taking out the engine. Engine out, onto the table, let's start fitting the Malossi parts. And boom! Power cam and cylinder fitted. Damn, this looks nice. Let's remove the gearbox. And let's put the engine back in. Air filter on. I mean, that's a mean air filter. Malossi Force Master 2.1 fitted. And let's start with the final drive. Let's start stripping it. And let's fit it by removing the clutch from the torque driver. Removing the locking plate and pins. Removing the original torque driver and getting everything nice and clean with some brake cleaner. Time to assemble the Malossi Torque Driver. Fitted a new O-ring supplied within the kit, and they also supply some nice Malossi grease. Make sure to grease up everything nicely for optimal performance and protection. Now we're going to fit the Malossi spring provided with the Multivar 2000 torsion controller and then also the fully adjustable delta clutch. Time to assemble the Multivar 2000. Make sure you clean everything nicely with brake cleaner as it has a coating on. We were using 14 and 16 gram rollers. Make sure to have the writing to your left so it doesn't come off. I always put a little bit of grease on the bushing. A little bit of lubrication goes a long way. With everything assembled, let's get it back into the bike. We will be running the Malossi XK belt. Just look at that clutch bell. It also helps with some cooling with the cooling fins. Time to put the CVT cover back. It's a pity we can't show off that beautiful Malossi parts. Full Akrapovič pipe fitted. This thing is gonna sound mean. Must be one of the best looking scooters out there, and obviously we had to fit some Malossi valve caps. Malossi Force Master under the seat. Let's start it up. Time to take it for a spin. 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. 0 to 100, 8.2 seconds. What a game. Still a lot of tuning left in this bike. This thing is a rocket. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell me down in the comments below what we should build next. Cheers!